Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Anglo, where you learn English simple and easy, because English does not have to be hard.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today. Whether you're learning English for work, travel, or daily life, you're in the right place.
Here at Speak Anglo, we help you speak real English, the English people use every day.
No difficult grammar, no stress, just simple phrases you can use right away.
Before we start today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Speak Anglo, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new easy English lesson.
We post new videos every week to help you speak with more confidence.
And don't forget to share this podcast with a friend who is learning English too. Learning together makes it easier and more fun.
Today, we are talking about useful English phrases for everyday conversations.
These are simple phrases you can use at work, in shops, with friends, and in daily life.
You will hear these phrases every day in real English conversations.
They help you sound more natural and more confident when you speak.
Many learners know English words, but don't know how to put them together in a real conversation.
And that can make speaking feel difficult or scary.
But don't worry, you don't need big, difficult sentences.
Small, simple phrases can make a big difference.
That's why here at Speak Anglo, we keep everything simple and easy.
So, let's start learning phrases you can use today. We all know hello and how are you, but in real life, people use many other friendly greetings every day.
Yes, these greetings help you sound warm, natural, and confident.
Let's start with a very common one. When you meet someone you already know, you can say, "Good to see you."
This means you are happy to meet the person.
You can use it with friends, coworkers, family, and neighbors.
For example, you meet your coworker in the morning.
You smile and say, "Good to see you."
Your coworker smiles and says, "Good to see you too."
Simple and friendly.
Another natural greeting is, "Hey there, how have you been?"
We use this when we haven't seen someone for a little while, maybe a few days, a week, or longer.
For example, you see an old friend.
You say, "Hey there, how have you been?"
Your friend says, "I've been good. How about you?"
Easy conversation. During the day, you can also ask, "How's your day going so far?"
This is very common at work, school, or with friends.
It shows you care and want to talk.
For example, you see your coworker at lunch.
You ask, "How's your day going so far?"
They answer, "It's going well, thanks."
Here is one more friendly greeting you can use. "Nice to see you again."
This is great when you meet someone after some time. Now, let's practice slowly. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
How have you been?
How have you been?
How's your day going so far?
How's your day going so far?
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
Great job practicing.
These greetings will help you sound friendly and natural in English every day. Being polite is very important in English.
Polite words help people feel comfortable, respected, and happy to talk with you.
When you speak politely, people usually want to help you.
Let's start with a very common polite phrase. When you want to speak to someone, you can say, "Excuse me."
We use "excuse me" to get someone's attention politely.
You can use it in stores, on the street, at work, or anywhere.
For example, you are in a mall.
You say, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?"
The person answers, "It's over there."
Simple and polite.
Here is another example.
You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Most people will say, "Sure," or "Of course,"
because you asked politely.
Another polite way to begin a question is, "Do you mind if I ask a question?"
This sounds very respectful and kind.
You can use it with teachers, coworkers, or strangers.
For example, you meet someone at work.
You say, "Do you mind if I ask a question?"
They answer, "No problem."
Here is one more polite phrase you can use. "Could you help me, please?"
This is very common and friendly in English. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Do you mind if I ask a question?
Do you mind if I ask a question?
Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
Polite English makes conversations easier and more friendly.
Shopping and cafes are great places to practice English in real life.
Yes, you use English there almost every day, at the supermarket, clothing stores, and coffee shops.
Let's start with a very useful question. When you want to know the price of something, you can ask, how much does this cost?
You can point to the item and ask politely.
For example, you are in a store.
You hold the item and say, "How much does this cost?"
The worker answers, "It's $10."
Simple and clear.
When you decide to buy the item, you can say, "I'll take it."
This is short, natural, and very common in English.
For example, after hearing the price, you say, "I'll take it."
The worker says, "Great."
Now let's go to a cafe or restaurant. When you want a drink or food, you can say, "Could I get a coffee, please?"
You can change the drink.
For example, "Could I get a tea, please?" "Could I get a juice, please?"
Very simple and polite.
Sometimes you are not ready to buy anything.
When a worker asks, "Can I help you?"
You can say, "I'm just looking, thank you."
This is very common in stores.
It means you are only looking around.
Here is one more helpful shopping phrase. That's all, thank you.
You use this when you finish buying.
Let's practice slowly. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Could I get a coffee, please?
Could I get a coffee, please?
I'm just looking. Thank you.
I'm just looking, thank you.
That's all. Thank you.
That's all, thank you. These phrases will help you shop and order food with confidence in English.
When someone is talking to you in English, it's important to show interest.
This helps the conversation feel friendly, natural, and comfortable.
You don't need to stay quiet like a statue and only listen.
English speakers often use short phrases to show they are listening.
These are called listening responses.
One very common phrase is, "I understand."
This shows you are following what the person is saying.
For example, your friend explains something.
You say, "I understand."
It means everything is clear.
Another easy response is, "Really?"
We use this when something is interesting or surprising.
For example, your friend says, "I got a new job."
You answer, "Really?" It shows interest.
When something becomes clear to you, you can say, "Oh, I get it now."
This is great when someone explains something. For example, after directions or instructions.
You say, "Oh, I get it now."
Another simple phrase is, "That makes sense."
This means you understand and agree.
Here are two more short listening phrases you can use.
I see. Got it.
These are very common in everyday English.
Now let's practice slowly. I understand.
I understand.
Really?
Really?
Oh, I get it now.
Oh, I get it now.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
I see.
I see.
Got it.
Got it.
Great job practicing.
These listening phrases will make your English sound natural and friendly in conversations.
Instead of only saying goodbye, English speakers often use many friendly goodbye phrases.
These sound warm, natural, and polite in daily conversations.
They help end a conversation in a nice way. One very common phrase is, "Have a good one."
This means have a good day or have a good time.
You can say this to coworkers, friends, or people at a store.
For example, after buying something, you can say, "Thank you, have a good one."
Another friendly phrase is, "See you soon."
You use this when you expect to meet the person again.
For example, after school, work, or visiting a friend.
It sounds positive and warm.
When someone is traveling or going on a trip, you can say, "Safe travels."
This means you hope their trip is safe and good.
People love hearing this phrase.
Here are two more natural goodbye phrases.
Take care. Talk to you later.
These are very common in everyday English.
Let's practice. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Safe travels.
Safe travels.
Take care.
Take care.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Now you have many natural ways to say goodbye in English.
Now let's practice with a simple real-life situation.
Imagine you meet someone new at a party, at work, or in your neighborhood.
You smile, look friendly, and say,
Hi, I'm Kendall. Nice to meet you.
the other person answers, "Hi, I'm Riley. Nice to meet you too."
Now you can continue the conversation with a simple question.
For example, where are you from?
The person says, I'm from Canada.
You can respond politely, that's nice, or great to meet you.
Let's try a longer version together. Hi, I'm Kendall. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Riley. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
That's nice. Good to meet you.
Let's practice slowly.
Hi, I'm Kendall. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Hi, I'm Kendall. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Great job practicing.
You can use this simple conversation anywhere you meet someone new.
Simple English starts great conversations. Today, we learned many useful English phrases for everyday life.
We practiced greetings, being polite, shopping and cafe English, listening phrases, and friendly goodbyes.
These are real phrases English speakers use every day.
You don't need big, difficult grammar to speak English well.
Small, simple phrases make a big difference in conversations.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
Remember, English does not have to be hard.
Just keep practicing a little every day.
Before you go, write a comment below and tell us your favorite phrase from today's lesson.
Or try using one of the phrases in a sentence. We read every comment.
If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really supports our channel.
And subscribe to Speak Anglo for more simple and easy English lessons every week.
Don't forget to share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Learning together makes English faster and more fun.
Thank you for learning with Speak Anglo today.
See you next time. Happy learning.